Binance has this icon under the recommended section, Web3 Airdrops. This is a step-by-step guide on how to earn some of this airdrop. You should, however, know that the airdrop reward here are quite little. The past reward have been mainly below $100 or even much less. If you're seeking huge reward airdrop, this might not be the platform. However, if you're eager to expand your Web3 knowledge and don't mind the modest reward, then this is an opportunity for you. The potential for learning and growth in Web3 space is immense, and that is where the real value lies, because with the knowledge you've gained, you can actually end up making more than $100 airdrop. When you click on the Web3 airdrop, it takes you to the Binance Web3 wallet. If this is your first time, you'll be prompted to do some setup to back up your wallet. The Web3 wallet is designed to provide a secure and user-friendly full Web3 experience. From the home tab here, you can send and receive tokens, and transfer lets you to transfer coins from the main Binance account to the Web3 wallet. Market shows thousands of coins available to trade. Swap lets you swap one coin for another even across chains, and presents high yield staking opportunity, and Discover opens you up to the top rated Web3 dApps. Going back to earn, you can participate in this airdrop by clicking on this banner here. It basically requires you to stake MSO to qualify for the MNDE airdrop. Marinade has done an airdrop before. This is a phase for the Binance wallet users. However, this is not the airdrop I am making this video for. For that airdrop, we're going to go to X and search for Binance Web3. The handle is at Web3 with Binance. So this is official Twitter account for the Binance Web3 wallet. And if you look at this post for Revox, the airdrop is on. So to participate in this, what I would just go back to the Binance Web3 wallet, then go to Discover, and at the top here, search for Revox. Then open the app. So you can see the top banner here. This is the partnership between Binance and Revox for airdrop. Now I'm going to click on the one that says airdrop reward doubled. Click on it, and this is where I basically perform the task. Before I go ahead, I need to have some BNB on UpBNB or some Ethereum on Linear. So I'm just going to do that. I'm going to go back. So I'm going to go to swap. I already have some BNB here, around $19 worth. So I'll go to swap, and I want to bridge some BNB. So I'm going to click on Ethereum here too, and I will search for OPBNB. Select that, and I want to bridge some BNB just a little to here. So this is going on. I also want to go to Linear and get some Ethereum there. So I'll choose Linear EVM and type ETH. So I want to get some Linear here, just basically to pay a transaction fee. So the transfer is successful. I'm going to go back to Discover. So what I do here just to perform the basic tasks, like follow Revox on the official X, just by clicking here and giving them a follow. Doing the same thing for Binance Web3 wallet. Then I'll come here, enter my handle. Then what I do next is just to come and check in every single day. So for day one, I'll just go ahead and click on check in and confirm the transaction. Now this is where I need to have a little money in my wallet, because I need like less than 1 cent to confirm transactions. So check-in is completed. The next I'll come and do the next one. Then I could just go ahead and explore the Revox Lens ecosystem. This is where the knowledge comes in. It's important to go and explore Revox, know what it is, and you can actually find other opportunities within Revox that is not just about the airdrop, right? That you can actually take part in. And of course, use your referral link or your invite code to invite your friends to just do the same. It's as simple as that. I'll be leaving this code in the description box below. Now, after this, you can just go to Binance Web3 X and follow them on their posts. Follow their Twitter account to see if you can see other opportunities there. Basically, that is the process. 1, have a Binance account. Use the link in the description if you don't have a Binance account already. 2, follow the Binance Web3 wallet on X. 3, look out for the airdrop announcement and take part. Alternatively, use the Binance Web3 wallet for your Web3 related activities for possible airdrop. And if you enjoyed this video, give it a like, then head over to the comment section and let me know the video you want me to make next. I'll be waiting in the comment section.